Welcome to the IPEtronic Tech Support video series. These videos will guide you through commonly asked support questions. In today's video, we will cover the update procedure for our signal conditioning modules. This will first include updating IPEmotion, activating the correct plugin, updating the firmware, and then checking whether the firmware update was successful. Updated firmware is always included in the latest version of IPEmotion. To download IPEmotion, go to our IPEtronic.com website, select Products, and find the IPEmotion software section. The latest IPEmotion software will be available for free download. Make sure you select the version that has the plugins included. Select the full installation option when prompted during the setup. To detect and update the modules, whether they be Ethernet or CAN-based, the X plugin needs to be active. To activate the X plugin, go to File, Options, and find the Plugin section. Check the box next to the IPEtronic X plugin. Opening the plugin options will show you whether firmware updates are enabled, and you can also check the list of supported devices for the update. After the module has been detected, right-click on the top layer of the tree where the X bus is visible. Select Functions and Update Devices. Click the Update button to start the update process. Once it is completed, the dialog will confirm that the update has been successfully performed. To check for the version that's currently on the module, select the module from the tree structure and go to the Information tab. If you have any questions or require additional support, your IPEtronic Tech Support team is happy to help you. Reach out to our central support email or contact your local IPEtronic office.